Welcome back. In this video, we're making apple muffins. For the dry ingredients into a medium bowl, 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients into a large bowl, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Give that a quick whisk, dump in the dry mixture, fold in 2 cups of chopped apples, spray a 6 cups muffin tin with Pam, spoon the batter into the muffin tins, some sugar on top, also known as decorative sugar. Bake at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. For the glaze, 2 cups of powdered sugar and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Drizzle the glaze over the muffins, and there we have it, apple muffins. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.